Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on trimming and rearranging clips on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, just open up TikTok and press the plus at the bottom of the page to begin recording as you normally would. Now record your video, or tap upload to select a clip from your gallery. At the top right of the screen there is an option to adjust clips. Tap on that. Now you can just hold and pull the edges in and out to trim them. If you have multiple clips, you can edit them individually also. On the bottom left here you can select the clip you want to adjust, then trim them as you like. If you would like to reorder your clips, you can do so by long pressing on the clip and then moving it to the desired location. When your clips are trimmed and ordered to your liking, you can hit save, then tap next. Now just post the video as you normally would. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.